Okay, so you just deleted a YouTube video. Maybe by accident, maybe you were cleaning up your channel and clicked the wrong thing. Either way, you're panicking right now, and I get it. So let's just cut through the noise real quick. Because if you've already searched this online, you've probably seen people saying YouTube has a trash folder, a 30-day window, all that. I want to be straight with you. I checked YouTube's actual help page, the real one, not some blog, and it says, quote, delete forever, not move to trash, forever. And it says the removal process starts immediately. So no, there's no secret folder you're missing. But that doesn't mean you're completely out of luck. Here's what actually works. First thing, and I mean before you do anything else, go check your own channel. Head into Studio, go to Content, and just look. See if there's anything that even resembles a trash or recently deleted section. I'm telling you what YouTube's docs say, but accounts can differ, so just confirm it yourself first. Second, and this trips up more people than you'd think, make sure it was actually deleted and not just switched to private or unlisted, because those are completely different things. A private video is still sitting there, still yours, still fully recoverable in like 2 clicks. It's only actually gone if it says deleted, so don't panic until you've ruled that out. Third one, and honestly, this is your best shot. Check your own stuff. Your laptop, your phone, an external drive, even your editing software's project files. A lot of us export the final cut before uploading and just forget we have it. Look there first. Fourth, cloud backups. Google Drive, Dropbox, iCloud, whatever you use. You'd be surprised how often the video is just sitting in a folder you forgot about. If you don't have the file anywhere, but you still remember the link, the old URL, go to the Wayback Machine, web.archive.org, and paste it in. Now, don't get your hopes up for the full video file, but you can often pull the title, the thumbnail, the description, and honestly, that's enough to rebuild the video and get it back up. Sixth, search around. Reddit, X, Discord. Type in the video's title or ID. If it had any kind of audience, there's a decent chance somebody clipped it, mirrored it, saved it somewhere without you even knowing. And seventh, if this wasn't even your fault, like your account got hacked or there was some kind of glitch, that's when you actually go to Studio, click Help, and contact Creator Support. Just know that live chat option isn't available to every channel. It's generally tied to being close to partner program numbers, around 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So check if you even see that chat button before you count on it. So here's the honest truth. If you deleted it yourself and you don't have a backup anywhere, the actual video is gone. That part's real, and I'm not going to sugarcoat it. But the identity of it, the title, the thumbnail, the description, that's usually recoverable. And for most creators, that's enough to rebuild and re-upload without starting completely from zero. So take the lesson from this one. Back up your exports every single time before you upload, not after. If this saved you a headache, subscribe to Ask Daniel Fix. I do this kind of thing every week. And drop a comment if you actually got something back. I genuinely want to know what worked for you. It has always been Daniel.